Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat account logged for violating guidelines. If you're using Snapchat and your Snapchat account has been logged, and let's see how can you recover it very easily. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your browser here, go search and just simply search for Snapchat Sports. Just search for Snapchat Sport and here open the first website you find. Now here just scroll down and look for the option of contact us. There's the option of contact us. Just select this. Now just scroll down and look for I can't access my account. Select this option here. Then select my account is locked. Now just scroll down and here you'll get some informations about community guidelines, their terms of service, or how can you r- recover your Snapchat account. Or if you want more help, just select visit the account portal and here you will be able to recover your Snapchat account. So you just have to log in using your Snapchat account, and after logging in, you can easily recover your Snapchat account, or Snapchat will give you a timer. It might be almost 24 hours or 2 days, or sometimes it might take 1 week. So you just have to wait for that, and after that, you can easily recover your Snapchat account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.